What happens when you combine the world's second largest industry of travel with cutting-edge technology? Blockchain, AI, and a revolutionary way to engage with travel. This isn't just a change in the weather, it's the perfect storm. Welcome to ViLocity Global. Not just a travel club, but a gateway to a lifestyle most only dream of. A place where luxury meets adventure, all powered by the most advanced technologies today. Imagine a membership that gives you curated escape trips with exclusive VIP experiences, or local escape nights that turn every encounter into a memory with other members and the people you love. And what if accessing world-class escapes meant paying less but experiencing more? That's our promise. 5-star getaways at 3-star prices, backed by a 110% price match guarantee with our travel portal. But ViLocity is more than just travel. It's an opportunity. By becoming an affiliate, share your passion for travel and earn from our 2-tiered program. Direct bonuses, sponsor matches, and share in our global revenue pools. Rewards that travel with you. Fuel your dreams with lifestyle bucks, spendable on trips, gift cards, and online shopping, exclusive events, and cutting-edge marketing tools that propel you forward. With instant payouts, whether you start with our $50, $500, or $2,000 membership, each membership opens doors to unparalleled value and a community ready to welcome you. Ready to start? It's simple. Use MetaMask, SafePal, Token Pocket, or Trust Wallet. Make sure to have enough BNB and a little extra for gas fees. Fund your journey and let the adventure find you. Get back to the person who introduced you to ViLocity Global. Join us and turn your travel dreams into reality.